Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Hi guys, my name is Roger Roby. I'm the field support specialist for Bernard and Tregaskis, and today we're going to talk through the maintenance on your Clean Air E Bernard fume extraction torch. So in the event that you need to replace the Y connector on your Clean Air E torch, we're going to show you step by step how to do so. You're going to need a hex key, 7/64 in size. It can be a screwdriver style, it could be the L shape that we're used to. But we're going to remove all of the screws here, but I'm going to leave the screws in the pocket just to reduce the chance of them falling on the ground and losing them. And then once we have all the screws loose, we will just pull straight up to separate the two halves, like so. I'll keep this off to the side. We're going to pull out the hose adapter, and then we'll have our bottom half here, the side that has the molded in nuts. We also have this gasket or rubber molded part. That just fits around the cable. You may or may not need to replace that, just depends on what the issue may have been. This molded piece here is going to sit inside here to reduce our vacuum loss. Put this around the cable and the repair here, bring the cable into the handle half, fit that into its spot. It really only fits in one spot. And then we'll fit our hose connector into the slotted spots there. Make sure at this point that the gasket on here is not damaged. And then basically just reverse procedure here. So we're gonna install the top piece on. It should all fit nice and smoothly, and then we'll just retighten our screws. The torque spec for these screws is about 10 inch-pounds for a reference point. And then once we have it all tightened up, we'll just assure that the hose and everything moves freely and that nothing's bound. So the hose rotates as it's supposed to. This does not necessarily in the sense of with the cable. So everything's good. I don't see any gaps between the two pieces. That process is complete.